to my channel, I do not want to scream because I'm at work. So I'm taking you guys behind the scene of how I'm doing the shoot. It's going to be a bridal shoot. It's beautiful. It's a lot of flowers. It's a lot of other things. And also, I'm shooting with another model, so I'm going to give you guys tips on how to shoot with another model or how to be on the photo shoot. Stay tuned and let's go. We are getting food.
Oh, what is this? But it looks like they have chicken or something in here.
I'm so excited because I'm part of the itty bitty titty committee, but right now I'm
Join the club, honey.
Thank you. This is too weird. I love it.
This is my feller model.
Yeah,
Feller, we are working today.
Yes, we are.
What are we working today?
We're on a campaign for a floral campaign, and it's all about wedding dresses and fairy tale bays.
Yes,
that
a future dream.
Yes.
So, all of that.
Present dreams, because they're already here.
I love that.
Thank you. Present dreams. I mean,
So, hey, if you are, hurry up, okay? Hurry up. Get better. Let's go. Come. We're waiting. This is too funny. Peace. We hope you like it.